MD sir, please mute yourself. MD sir, are you able to hear me? Please mute yourself.
Hello, hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Yeah. Yesterday, we are learning correlated subquery execution process. That execution process today very helpful in our exist operator side. Now, but unfortunately, get a candidate row and control passed into where child query where condition based on the evaluation value. It will compare value with the parent query where condition. Whenever condition is true, then only that candidate row return into result. Whenever condition is false, then that candidate row does not into result. Okay, up to that one we are discussing in a previous class. But you are observing or not, yesterday table, this is a table is there. In that table only, duplicate data is not there. And now here, observe here. This is a table is available. In this table, duplicate data is not available. Duplicate data is not available. Suppose here duplicate data is there. Suppose Murli getting a what 200 for example. Again some other fellow also getting a what 200 salary. In that case, we are writing a same query. What happened? That is a question mark. So now very important that one only. Actually, generally duplicate data is there, but execution understandable purpose, duplicate data, I am not giving only. Whenever anybody good at what yesterday execution knowledge base only, they are only telling answers. That's why yesterday very slowly, that step by step, already we are learning only. And now here all are writing a what up to these steps or not? Yes, here. All are writing this one? Yes, here. Up to these steps, you all are writing. Hello. Tell me, all are writing that one or not? Yes. That based only, you are only tell me the answers. Okay. Yeah. That already maybe process your own idea. Now check it out. What the table is there? Select star from test, deleting or anything. Okay. This is a test is a table is there. Okay, fine. This is a test is a what a table. Slowly observe it here. All are coming. Now here, very important this one. Now in this case, I try to insert a what duplicate data. Slowly observe it here. Insert into table name test only values. Here now here yes Z I'm inserting. Now here 200 I'm inserting because yesterday's second highest salary employee Murli 200 no same salary getting by some other employee also for example. Same salary is getting by some other employee only. Okay, fine. Yes, here Z 200 for example. Okay. In this one counting the transactions. Now here check it out. This is a table is there. Select a star from test like this. Okay, na? Very, 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 very important. You are only tell me the what. So now outputs and processing only. Now check it out. I try to write a what? A second highest salary employee. And now here check it out. Here this is a what? Morally is a 200 already there. Again here random order only anywhere also. This Z it will be inserted only. Okay, fine. Z 200 is there. Now I try to write a what? I try to write a okay. So yesterday query, second highest salary employee query only. I try to write that one. Anybody now here you remembering that query? Now select difficult query, select a star from test alias name because the correlated subquery means alias name where second highest salary means 2 is equal to select count star yesterday they are giving only NC standards from test is a table. Here alias name you are using in a child query table or not, it's not a problem. But they are giving like that easiness purpose where E2 dot salary is now here greater than or equal to I am writing now yesterday. Otherwise, E1 dot salary less than or equal to also. E2 dot salary is greater than or equal to E1 dot salary like this. This is the way you are writing a what query. Whenever I am also, you are also writing a query. What is the output? Yes, fast. Tell me. Anybody telling output means great. Murli 200 and Z 200 is displayed. Otherwise, only Murli 200 is displayed. Otherwise, only Z 200 only displayed. Otherwise, no row selected. Only one answer is correct. Fast. Anybody yesterday execution knowledge, they have an idea. Maybe they're guessing. That's why very slowly I'm telling. Fast, maybe without checking in your system. And now here, tell me answer. In this case, both the records are displayed. Otherwise, both the records are not displayed. Otherwise, only one record is displayed. Only one answer is correct. Very good. So many fellows are telling Morley Z is selected. So many fellows are telling both the records are selected. Some fellows are telling what both the records are displayed. Some fellows are telling second record only displayed. Some fellows are telling first record only displayed. So many answers only. Okay, now yes, here. But unfortunately, who are telling what only no rows selected is a correct answer. Very, very, very important. What is this one? That's why this is most powerful. Why no rows selected? Now here, whenever duplicate data we are using, again second highest salary yesterday concept means whenever I try to execute a what this query, maybe some fellows are checking in their system also. And now here they are telling a what correct answers. Yes, here no rows selected. Okay, fine. Yes, here no rows selected. Why no rows selected? That is a question mark. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Then execution, solution, you are understandable. Screen observe it. Again, observe it here. Screen observe it here. Again, execution side, you are only not telling all the concepts. And now here, check it out. Concentrate here. Concentrate here. Now, observe it here. Again, execution. Suppose here, Z 200. Okay, fine. In a bottom only, I'm writing. Here, second highest salary employee, same thing. But unfortunately, here, no rows selected. It will display message. Observe here, no rows selected is with display message. Why? Why no rows selected means maybe in a candidate row also not true. That's why here it will give say what? No rows selected. Yesterday, any record is a true means then only that record is written into result or not. But today, any record also may be not true in this case. That's why it will give a no row selected. Now, really interested to check it out. Don't write it, check it out. Because yesterday you have an idea about these all things, no? Yes. Phase 1, get a candidate row, first row. And now slowly observe here, ABC 100, like this only. And now here ABC 100. And now here counting is changing here. And now here ABC 100. First row, observe here. Phase 1, first row, ABC 100. Okay, fine. Yes, control goes to where? Child query where condition. Child query where condition means here. Now check it out. Here greater than or equal to 100. Greater than or equal to 100. How many count stars are there in a table? Greater than or equal to 100 means one time count it enough. Yes, all the things very easy only. Now here tell me. Now here count star. Yes, how many count stars are there? Greater than or equal to 100. Here 1, here 2, here 3, here 4, and also 5. So now observe it here. Yes, here greater than or equal to 100 means greater than 100 means 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, fine. But But greater than or equal to means here, greater than or equal to means always is equal to 10 also there or not. That's why here 5 only. That's why yesterday 4. That's why today is a what? 5. That's why each and every time one row is incremented or not. Yes, here. That logic you have an idea, then all the things not required to check. All the things not required to check only. And now here, yes, here, observe it here, observe it here. Now check it out. Here, 5 only. And now very good. Now 2 is equal to 5. True or false? False. 2 is equal to 5, false. Okay, na? Yes, first phase. Second phase, yes, XYZ 150. And now here, maybe 1 is incremented or not? Yes, here 4. Yes, 2 is equal to 4, false. Simple now. And now here, yes, here anything when condition is false. Again, third phase also morally. And now here 200. And now here, yes, in this case, morally 200. Here 3. Greater than 200 means 1. Greater than or equal to 200 means 1, 2, 3 or not? Yes, here 2 is equal to 3. 2 is equal to 3 means what? False. Again, I'm not checking. Already have an idea. Now here, yes, here 2 is equal to 3 in this case, false. And now that's why when condition is false, and now here is then only that a record, that candidate row does not, whenever condition is false, then that candidate row does not return into result or not? Yes, whenever condition is false. So now here, then that candidate row. And now here, check it out. Then that candidate row does not return into result. Okay, so now here it does not return into, so now does not return to result. That's why here Murli okay 200 it does not display because condition is false. Again, phase 4 means what? Which one? PQR 300. More than 300 means here no. Yes, here no rows are there, but greater than or equal to 300 means 1 only. But second highest salary employee, second highest salary employee is there. Here 2 is equal to 1, false. When condition is false, then that candidate row does not return into result. But unfortunately here phase 5 also there. Observe here, extra thing is there or not? Phase 5. In a phase 5, tell me steps. Now here step 1. And now here what is that one? Get a candidate row. Get a candidate row. Today extra row, no, candidate row only. Get a candidate row means here Z 200, for example. Okay, fine. Yes, here. In this case, step 2, control goes to where? Child query where condition. What is that one? Select count of star from test is a table in a alias name. Okay, fine. Here where E2.salary predefined condition is greater than or equal to 200. Yes, here more than 200 means how many records are there? Only one record. More than 200 means only one record. But greater than 200 means this one also counting or not? Yes, here that's why 3 only. Very good. Some fellows are telling only. Yes, here this is a what? Child query result is what? 3. Don't write it, just roughly observe it only. Here step 3, this value is compared with the what? Parent query where condition. How can I select the star from test? Alias name is there. Where second highest salary is equal to 2 is equal to 3. 2 is equal to 3 means what? False. When our second highest salary is when is false. That's why when condition is false, when condition is false, then that candidate row means process row. That candidate row does not return into result. Return into result. Okay, now that's why whenever duplicate data is there, that duplicate database only we are retrieving a data. Here no rows selected. Okay, now yes, here no rows selected. But how you overcome this problem means one technique is there. What is that one? Here concentrate. Here concentrate here. What is the solution means? Maybe solution you are only telling. That's why very slowly I'm telling only. And now here, yesterday you are observing or not? Here third row, Murli 200. It will be give a what? A correct answer yesterday. So now here yesterday, Murli 200 gives a what? A correct answer only. Okay, fine. Why? Because in that child query, in that case, 2 it will be giving only. But today, here, one more thing, 3 it will be returned. That's why 2 is equal to 3 is a false. That is a problem. But here, maybe this 2 is a what child query value, then 2 is equal to 2, then only true, then only this record is written or not. But how it is possible? Yes, this one is counting a what? Murli 200. Observe here. Yes, here. This 200 and 200, not a 2 times only here. Only 1 time is counting only. Then automatically solution or not? Yes, here. Very, very important. What is the logic behind that one? Means always, 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 both the 200 and 200 is available. That 200 and 200 is a what? One it will be treated. Yes, 200, 200, 200, 200, 200. So many 200s are available also. That so many 200s are available also. That will be treated as a what? Only one time. Then automatically solutions are there. So now automatically solutions are there only. Okay, now 200, 200, 200 is available only one time only. Automatically solutions are there. How can I? Anybody attending a previous classes means roughly guess it? Yes, here. These are 200, 200, 200. It will be treated as a what? A one time counting only, not a two. Then automatically correct solution. But here, how can I means? Here, actually, two concepts are there in a databases. If you want to eliminate duplicate data in a future, union is there. Yes, again, group by already one idea. Suppose 10 is there, here 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 10 is there in a previous classes. These all the 10s we have to suppress. Only one time only. Now here, yes, these 10s it will be displayed means then we are using a what? Here, which one? Group by. Already I'm telling or not a group by class. But in this case, in this query side, group by is not working. That's why another concept is there. What is that one means? Here, yes, here. It's this what 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. This duplicate data, only one time counting means yes, your one concept is there. Up to now, you don't have an idea that concept. Maybe anybody attending a what? A group function side, count of something distinct is a clause I am telling or not a distinct. That a distinct clause we are using only. Whenever we are using a what? A distinct clause, automatically, it will be suppress a what? This duplicate data. So now here, yes, this duplicate data. And only one time only it will be counting. Only one time only 10 is counting only. And now here only one time only 10 is counting. That's why distinct clause we are using. That concept already we are discussing. Distinct I am not telling also. One of the stage group functions I'm telling maybe in a olden days because in the previous class of the were joins I think. So now here I'm telling a what? Yes, one of the stage count function I'm telling. Maybe anybody remembering? One of the stage group functions I am telling you. Yes, here these are the group functions are there. Observe it here. Before group by class, I am telling a what? Group functions maybe. Yes, in this group function, observe it here. Count of yes, your department number I'm telling. In that class, I'm telling only if you want to count a number of distinct values from a table column, then we can also use a distinct clause within count function. I'm telling you or not, count of distinct of department number means 10, 10, 10, only one time 10, 20, 20, 20, 20, only one time 20, 30, 30, 30, 30, only one time 30 is there. Then 3 is the output, it will be written or not. Yes, here in that class already we are discussing a what? That one only. And now here check it out. So now here observe it here. Suppose here that concept today we are using only. So properly not connecting with the mouse. Okay. Now here check it out. Here select the star from yes here EMP table. In this EMP table, I'm counting a what? So now here, yes, here I'm counting a which one? Department number column. Suppose here already I'm telling only previous classes select count of department number from EMP. Then automatically it will display the what 14 because number of department numbers are available. Now here check it out. Here I don't want to count like this. I want to count a number of distinct values. That is eliminating a duplicate data. How can I mean? Just here in this query we are using a what? A distinct is a clause is there. Distinct is a clause is there. In this one, a distinct of department number we are using means automatically it is possible in a 3 only. How it is possible means eliminating a duplicate data. Suppose select department number from EMP. Okay, fine. Here 10, 10, 10, 10, 20, 20, 20, 20, 30, 30, 30 is there. Just we are using a what here. Distinct is a clause means observe it here. Distinct is a clause means eliminating a what duplicate data in a select statement. Then automatically just observe it here. Distinct of a DPT number we are using means automatically what happened? Yes, here eliminating a duplicate data. One time only 10, 20, 30 is there or not? This is we are counting means automatically 3 is there or not? Same like here also whenever duplicate data is there in a previous case yesterday query side, then we are count based only. We are counting a what? ఎంత highest salary employee means count star based only. Yes, that is working. That's why in that count function only, if you want to correct result means in that count function, just we are using a what? We are using a what? Distinct is a class only. And now here cursor is not moving properly. It will be stuck in that the problem. Now in this case, no rows selected. It will display message or not? Yes, here. In that case only, if you want to count a what, the 200, 200 only one time means, then we are using a what? A distinct is a class. Observe it here. Here, now here in a previous case, here, it will give us a what? Get a candidate row, Z is a 200. In this case only, Murli is a 200. In that case, no rows selected. Here, where is the cursor? Now here, no rows selected only. Now here, yes, that's why to overcome this problem, we must use a what? We must use a what? Which one? Distinct is a clause within a where count function. Observe it here. Now here, whatever query is there, okay, fine. Here, this is a query is there or not? Yes, I'm copying this query. Now observe it here. This is the query is there. In this query only, if you want to get a what? A correct result, then we are using a what? Distinct is a class. In a count function only, in this count function, just we are using a what? Distinct of department number. Department number we are using. Okay, so now here, yes. Distinct of, so now here, yes, department number I'm using in a where previous place or not, but here distinct of which one? Salary. Or now here, yes, distinct of salary we are using only. Duplicate salary is there, no, because our table test is the table is there or not. That's why distinct of E2 dot salary actually, but I am writing a what? Directly salary, then automatically correct output it will be displayed. But how it will be executed, you are only telling a what? This one only. And now here maybe executions you are only telling. This is starting one way. Now here, check it out. Yes, automatically. Murli, now here 200 and also Z 200 is a correct output. It will be displayed or not? Yes, this is the correct output only. Murli 200 and also Z 200, it will be displayed. But how it will be executed? Maybe you are only tell me the execution process. And now here is properly not working. Now here, check it out. Here, now whenever duplicate data is there, now here, then problem no. So now here, yes, here duplicate data is there, then no row selected. In that case only, observe it here. This is a output here, no row selected is there. Then solution, how can I? Solution means just we are using a what? A distinct is a clause is there. Okay. Na? Yes, here distinct is a clause we are using only. Whenever we are using a what? A distinct clause, then automatically now here, yes, Murli 200 and Z 200, it will be displayed. Okay, fine. This execution interviewer asking. That is important. Duplicate data is there, then execution they're asking. Whenever interviewer asking this one, so many fellows are failure. Yesterday or today up to this one, you have a good knowledge also. In this case, so many fellows are mistaken. Why? Because one concept only, maybe they are concentrating only interviewer. That is only so many fellows or students or employees are mistaken only. That is maybe you are telling a correct answer or not. I am checking now. Now check it out. Yes, here. This is a what correct output only. Now, how it will be executed? Correctly tell me. At least this last execution side. How it will be executed? Cursor is not moving. Now here, how it will be executed. Now tell me, get a candidate row. So now get a candidate row. Yes, here ABC 100. And now here, get a candidate row ABC 100. Okay, fine. Yes, here. Next, control goes to where? Child query where condition. Child query here, which one? Select distinct of salary only. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now E1 dot salary, how much? 100 only, 100. Now more than 100, how many values are there? Yes, here, tell me, more than 100 means here counting is your responsibility. And now here, yes, here, more than 100, how many values are there? 4 or 5? Very good. Here, different answer only. Yeah, why? Because 200, it will be counting a what? One time only, because distinct is there. No? So now here, yes, cursor is not moving. And now here, yes, observe it here, more than 200 means here 150, one thing. Sorry, more than 100 means 150, one thing. And 200, 300, one thing only. That is 2. And also this 200 and this 200 is a what? A combination. It will be treated as a what? Treated as a what? One time only. This 200 and 200, it will be counting as a what? One time. That's why this is a one time. And now here, this is a what? So now this is a one time. This is a what? So now 2. This is a 3. And now here, yes, 100 is a what? 4 times. Okay, na? Yes, here. That's why always, whenever we are using a what in a yesterday, first row is a what? 4 is there or not? 4 is there or not? Same like here also, 4 is there. Very good. So many fellows are telling 4 only. It is not working properly also. 2 is equal to 4, false. 2 is equal to 4 is a what? So now because 200 is a what? Only one time only. That's why now here, yes, so many fellows are telling a what? 4 only, correct. Now here, yes, when condition is false, then that candidate row does not return into result. Now in this case, second case, yes, here, yesterday, now sorry, today 4 only in a previous case, but here 3, very good, 3 only. Now here, yes, here 2 is equal to 3, true or false? False. Up to this one, okay. But unfortunately here, when condition is false, then that record, then that candidate row does not return into result. The next phase 3. Phase 3 here only so many fellows are mistaken. Now tell me, get a candidate row, Murli 200. Okay, fine. Yes, here. Now check it out. Here, yes, here always count of distinct values, count of distinct of salary like this. Now here, whenever count of distinct of salary means here, now tell me Murli 200 is a candidate row. Greater than or equal to 200. How many rows are there? Yes, here now, here only tell me. So now greater than 200 means here only one, but greater than or equal to 200 means this 200 is treated as a what? Single row only, single row. This 200 is treated as a what? A single. Counting when duplicate data in a one row. Na? Yes, here 1 plus 1, 2. Very good. Here only correct answer. Now you are only telling correct answer means great. Here, what is the output? Here, child query return value 2 only. Now, in this case, 2 is equal to 2. Whenever condition is true, 2 is equal to 2. Here, true only. Very good. Here, true. Whenever condition is true, 2 is equal to 2, true. Now tell me. Whenever condition is true, what is the output? What is the output? Very good. So many fellows are in our class. They are telling morally 200. And also another one is what? Another one is what? Z 200. Anybody telling a what like this means immediately rejected. Wrong answer. And now here, yes, that's why entry question this one. This execution here only so many fellows are mistaken. Whenever this condition is true, which condition is true based on that one, all rows are condition true rows are selected. I am also, you are also imagination. That is wrong side. Which condition is true, that candidate row it will be written. How server knows a what? Another records. That's why here 2 is equal to 2 is a what? True means 2 is equal to 2 is a what? True means always which record it will be written. Yes, very good. Which record is a pointer points to that record here. Yes, always that candidate row. Which candidate row? So now here very good. Which candidate row? Here morally 200 is a pointer is there. That one only true, that one only it will be written, not a Z 200. That is important. This is you are telling a correct or not in prior checking only. That is important. That's why always when condition is true, in this case, yes, here when condition is true, then only now here that candidate row written into result. Then only that pointer is there, no? Then only that candidate row written into where result, written into result. Okay, na? Yes, here. Next, phase 4. Phase 4 is a what? How can I? More than 300 means only 0, but greater than or equal to 300 means 1 only. Now 2 is equal to 1. Here 2 is equal to 1. 2 is equal to 1 is a false. So that's why when condition is false, then that candidate row does not return into result. But unfortunately, here observe it here. Here observe it here. Next record is a what? Phase 5 is important. Now here, yes, phase 5, get a candidate row. Get a candidate row means what? Z 200. Z 200. Again, in this case only, here count of distinct values. Here distinct of your salary like this. Now here, yes, in this case, okay, more than greater than 200 means only 301. And 200 treated as a 1 only. That's 1 plus 1 is a what? 2. That's why here 2 is equal to 2. 2 is equal to 2 is a what? True only. And now here true. And now when condition is true, then only that candidate row written into, then only that candidate row written into where result. So now that candidate row written into result. Now here, yes, here, then what is that row is there? Now here, check it out. Here is talking today what happened. Now here, yes, here, now check it out here. Now here only, now here check it out here. What is that record? Here Z 200 only. That's why whenever condition is true, that candidate row only written into result. That is important. Only this execution. Once you are good at what this execution, then only exist operator. Yes, they're asking why, because this execution based only when condition is true, then only candidate row written into where result you must familiar. Okay, na? Yes, here. First, this one write it. Then I am telling you what some theory. Insert a what? Yes, duplicate data in a way today. And now here, yes, your this is insert duplicate data. insert into table name here test only values. Today insert it here Z here 200 insert it. Now commit the transaction. Now write it this one. Duplicate data, this one. Today some problem is occurred, maybe power is less, that's the cursor is not moving yet. Okay, now this data. Now this second highest salary employee, this select query, write it. No row selected, write it. No row selected. No row selected. No row selected. All are writing or not? Yeah. Yes, some theory, write it now. Some theory, write it. Whenever resource table column, resource table means given table. Resource table column having duplicate data and also when we are try to retrieve and also when we are try to retrieve data based on duplicate values by using above query, then database server does not return any rows. To overcome this problem, then we must use distinct class within count function. Now solution, right? This theory is important. That's why anybody asking ante salary, employee second A salary, employee in a table means compulsory distinct clause we are using in a where in your count function in this predefined query. Executions also interval asking. Executions very, very important. Solution, write it. Underline this one. Count of distinct. Both the records right. Distinct of count of distinct of cell. Now executions also write it because entry question execution only they are asking. That purpose this all. When our candidate row true, then commit means later only because I don't want to suppress a what roll back those records only saving purpose. In a future TCL commands are there. Coming over there. Same like a previous class execution. Phase 1. Here 4 no 200 treated as a one time. In a previous case 5 no, but in this case again 4. That candidate row is important. Now second phase 2 also right. When our condition is true, that row only it will be written, okay now, because pointer is there internally. Here 3 no, more than 150 means 200 and 150 only 2 records. But 200 is a what? One time no? Yeah. That's a 1 plus 2 plus 3. Greater than 150 means 200 is a one time. 1 plus 300 is a what? 2 plus this 150, 300. Simple. When condition is false, then that candidate row does not return to result. Next, phase 3, right? This is important. Only this record. That's why interviewer asking Java, .NET, Python, any programmer also entire salary employee means whenever the condition is true, then that candidate row return into result. The terminology you are telling or not, they are checking interviewer. That's why these are very slowly we are telling. More than 200 means 1. 300 is there, no? Yeah. But 200, 200, 200, 200, 200, it will be treated as a 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. This phase 3, right? When where condition is true, then only that candidate row return into the result. That candidate row, that is a Murali 200 is a pointer is there, that candidate row only return. That is your idea finished, nothing. Very difficult, but execution side, pure execution understandable here. Next, fourth phase. Write it this one, because greater than 200 means 300 means 0, but greater than or equal to means 1. Phase 4. Now phase 5 also, right? Same like yesterday, steps only. But inter question only, that's why we are telling the what step by step. Then exist operator most powerful. Now, based on this knowledge, you are telling about execution process in aware. In interview asking means don't mistake only. Very important, and query difficulty also you are learning. You are writing only. Okay, na? Yeah. Now write a query. Write a query. Same. Write a query to display second highest salary employee from EMP table. EMP table by using correlated subquery. Correlated subquery. Write a query to display the employees. Sorry, write a query to display second highest salary employee from EMP table by using correlated subquery. How can I select star from EMP? EMP table is there, no alias name, where second means 2 is equal to select. Compulsory, we are using a what? A count of distinct. You are not writing a distinct means rejected. That much of powerful. That's why we are learning about our own table execution. Distinct of E2.salary or salary are now here from EMP. But here alias name you are not using also, not a problem, child table. But first time is E2 I am giving where E2 dot salary is greater than or equal to E1 dot salary. Our table side. EMP table side, no, this is a popular entry question. Our table side like this. Here, Scott and Ford 3100, the 2 records only. Duplicate data is there or not? That's why second highest salary they are asking. You are not using a distinct means no rows select. Okay, sir. That is a no rows selected, it will display message. That much of powerful. That's why interviewer asking second highest salary employee in your EMP table means second highest value, duplicate data is there in your table. That's why interviewer asking this one. Okay. Yeah. Simple. Now, based on this knowledge, entire salary means ampersand and no? Yes, that is also write it. That is the last query only. Then exist operator. Write it. Write a query. Same. Copy paste. Write a query to display nth highest salary employee. Same thing. Nth highest salary employee from EMP table by using correlated subquery. Nth highest salary employee means just ampersand n we are using, you know? Yes, here. This is everyone knows. In a previous classes already we are telling in a row num, otherwise dense rank side, ampersand we are using, you know, same like here. Just ampersand. Nth salary they are using means ampersand we are using n. N means that is a 1, that is a 2, that is a 3, like this only. Okay, na? Yes, here. That is everyone knows. So now check it out. Copy this one. That's why this predefined query is a popular. And now here check it out. 1 means first day salary king here 5,000. Again 2. So now second day salary employee. 3 third day salary employee, like this one. That's why anybody interviewer asking entire salary means so only you are preferring correlated subquery, and executions they are asking means properly tell to interviewer executions. Then only if they are satisfied, then only delete duplicate rows from a table they're asking, then only their own queries they're asking. That's the first testing is what predefined these queries only. Because this much of execution you have an idea means anything also understandable. That's why their intention. That's why they're asking a what in every interview side, front end side also this predefined popular queries they're asking. Okay, na? Yes. Sure. Now write it this one. Ampersand write it here. Okay. Display entire salary means ampersand write. And whenever we are running this query, enter value for n, it will display. That's a 1 or 2 or anything you are entering. Then the details are displayed. Employee number, all the details only. but I am writing like this 3 details. Seven, eight, three. Practice purpose, some other predefined queries also there. That is in any books, others are writing only. That is also better to write it. Write another query, correlated sub queries. Then we are starting exist operator, most powerful. Write it. Write a query. This is your writing. I think. Write a query to display the employees. Write a query to display the employees who are getting. These are predefined queries. Who are getting more salary than the average salary of their jobs or department, something is there, their jobs from EMP table by using correlated subquery. Write a query to display the employees who are getting more salary than the average salary of their jobs from EMP table by using correlated subquery. Write a query to display the employees who are getting more salary than the average salary of their jobs from EMP table by using correlated subquery. How you are writing this one means, observe it here. Now select, don't write it 1 minute. This is a predefined query, just practice purpose. These are all the things. One, select a star from EMP. Now in a parent query, we are creating a what? Parent query table alias name, correlated subquery, where salary means salary, more than means greater than. That's why not only is equal to any operator also possible. Okay, na? Yes, here select, here average salary they're asking. Yes, can we use group functions? Possible. Same like a non-correlated, we can also use a group functions. From table name, okay, fine. Here alias name not a mandatory, that purpose. Now here actually child query table alias name not a mandatory. What they are telling, parent query table alias name we are creating, and that alias name we are using in a where clause in a child query only. That's why child query table alias name you are not creating, also working. That purpose only I'm giving a different way. Where job they are asking only. Job means job. Okay, fine. Job is equal to which one? Not a clerk, not a salesman, not a occasional manager. Each and every time that value is get a candidate row, that value is substituted. That's why here, anybody guess it? Anybody guess it? Anybody tell me? How can I? Yes, very good. Yes, use this alias name in a child query where clause. Already you are telling or not? Yes, I'm copying this one. Yes, here like this only. Dot we are using only. Here job. That is you are using or not, check it out purpose. Their departments, their jobs, like this means here alias name dot we are using only. That's why only parent query table alias name we are creating. That alias name you are using in a where alias name dot column name means then that is a what child query. This knowledge is very helpful in a where today or tomorrow we are starting a what exist operator. Parent query alias name compulsory exist operator side. That alias name dot some column name we are using. What happened means we are learning only. Okay. Na? Before we are going to start that one, just this predefined query I'm telling only. Now really that is correct. So that's why display the employees who are getting more salary than the average salary of their jobs, their department means correlated subquery like this only. Department means just where department number is equal to E dot department number like this. These employees are getting that one only. Now here write it. These are all predefined queries. Underline E here and E dot job here. Okay, na? Next, when very important. First step is correlated subquery execution. That is entry question. That's why slowly I'm telling. But what is the use of that execution means very important. One performance tuning operator is there. What is that operator? Exist operator. This operator regularly using in a where correlated subquery. Non-correlated also I will tell you through the exist operator next only. Don't worry. But correlated regularly they are using. Why? Because whenever one table values we are searching in another related table, non-correlated in nobody preferring. Only correlated subquery exist operator only they are preferring. Why they are preferring? I want this one. What is the advantage? What is the in versus exist performance means very important. That's why yes, first executions why they are asking means executions you are good, then only exist operator execution you are understandable. Already you are telling what a top analysis that is correlated support execution up to today. Now that based only this exist operator execution understandable. Then only in versus exist. I am diagrammatically I'm telling that is most powerful inter question. 10 years, 8 years, 6 years, 7 years also interviewer asking that much of powerful because without exist operator there is no projects. That much of powerful performance tuning concepts only. And now here that is very important. Exist operator EXISTS. EXISTS exists operator. Most powerful concept. Exist operator because some fellows are disconnected only. That's why we are continuing or not. This is important concept. Okay, up to this one enough today. Properly not working first system only cursor. No, that's why now here yes. Exist operator. Next class I will tell you, but unfortunately tomorrow there is no class. Monday I will tell you this exist operator. Very important. Okay, Monday I will tell you this exist operator and in versus exist. Those are all the things. Tomorrow there is no class. Monday will continue. But unfortunately next Saturday, okay, so much of full day we are taking only so much of syllabus something only. Okay, so no one day we are taking. Why? Because in a Monday onward some other PLSQL we are starting in your batch and that much we're combining only. Okay, after completing I got this one in a middle. That's why now we are fastly we are taking a what and next chapters only. Okay. Okay. Anyway, tomorrow there is no class. Monday will continue. Monday will continue. Thank you.